What's good with y'all boys? What's going on YouTube? It's y'all boy DC in the building again. We here is Thursday, May 28th. Let's get it, man. We only focused on winning. Every day we only focus on winning no matter what happens. The previous day, the previous week, the previous month, don't matter. We always focused on winning. Always and forever, bro. But whatever you're doing, always focus on winning. Focus on winning. Study your losses, study your mistakes, and focus on winning. That's it. Ain't nothing else. Nothing more, nothing less. So right now we're looking at gold, then crude oil. Maybe we'll see something on the S&P, but we'll see if we could get something to have it. Price just hit a. It wasn't even a 15-minute demand. It was just a zone or whatever. But it did end up winning. But right now there is currently nothing going on that I like. Just like with gold and crude oil, there's actually nothing that I like for right now. Currently prices deciding what to do. It bounced from the bottom of this range. As y'all can see, price bounced from the bottom of this range. Maintaining consolidation for right now. But on a short term, it is breaking levels of resistance. It looks more clear on the 15-minute. It bounced from down here, creating a higher low and a higher high from this high, but a lower low from these highs. But yeah, right now that's what price is on. Price did tap this level, the supply zone right here. That's interesting. Okay. Oh wow, look at that. I did not see this. I did not see that. But whatever. It's interesting what is happening right now. Hopefully we get a break of these levels of resistance so we can maybe look for buys if price wants to give us another a chance to take an entry. Yeah. On crude oil, price is maintaining this level of resistance right here. As y'all can see, it respected it. It broke these minor levels of resistance, but not. It wasn't no big levels of resistance right there. But right now, best bet is to go for sells. Right now, best bet is to go for sells, even though the 1 hour is still deciding. Thank you. It's still deciding if it wants to go up or if it wants to go down. Price held right here on the higher time frame, so we're gonna test these lows since price created this lower high from this high. It's looking like price is creating another low right here, a lower high. That's what it looks like. That's not what I'm predicting. That's just what it looks like. Price did win from this supply zone on the 5. This would have been the stop loss. This is the TP. It went for a 101 to 1.8 or something like that. Yeah, it didn't reach the 102. But we're waiting for a setup right now. Been waiting for a setup since 9:30. Gold is on an uptrend right now. Currently, it's on an uptrend. It's just formed this level of support right here. But it's also we're waiting to see if price wants to hold this level of demand. But I want to see a clear entry to take it to continue to the upside. Maybe to target these highs. Maybe to target this 15-minute resistance. Supply zone resistance. Yeah. Maybe targeting up here. But let's see what we get. 15-minute demand as well. Interesting. There is no news, but you already know that this is how the S&P be moving. S&P should be moving like this. God damn. Unless Trump has said something, bro, because this is what? We not about to act like this is just normal, especially out of nowhere. Look at that big candle. What the hell? Okay. I guess. Let's see what we get, man. We're looking to continue this trend. Simple as that. Damn. That's crazy. The price is still consolidating here. Yeah. I will be showing an update of the account at the end of this live. But for right now, there is nothing that we need to see. Nothing that we need to see. How many points was this candle? Yeah, that's not usual. Somebody saw either Trump spoke or something, bro. That's not usual. The S&P that don't look usual because look at the other candles. That's on the 1 minute too. Either way, still looks crazy. Should I add the Nasdaq? Let me see. What is NQ on? So Price did end up taking New York highs. Price ended up taking New York highs. Wait, how is that New York? That's 6. That's Asia highs. Yeah, I think we might get a setup. I think we might get a setup. Yer, what's going on? What's going on, G? Everything good? Is everything good? Maybe the 1 minute could give a setup. I don't see price on oil coming back to giving a setup or even forming a setup. I don't see it. Let's watch ES. Unless we trade the 1 minute. It's the only way. But maybe none of these pairs are gonna give a setup today. Yo, can we find some? Let's see if we could find some nice, some good music. What music should I put on? If this was a demand zone, I would have taken this to the upside. It is holding here. It's 50. It wouldn't be a bad idea to take a buy on the ES to keep this momentum to the upside. I don't think it's gonna recover this entire candle today. I don't see it. May happen, but I don't see that happening right now. It's just that the 1 minute moves too fast for me. This is the man zone right here. This would have been the entry right here, but it just moves too fast for me. It's cool. He's cool. And then target these highs. That wouldn't be bad. Maybe a one-on-one first. Look at gold, man. Thank you, thank you. Look at gold go, man. If this candle would have broke here, this would have been the supply zone. So Oh my. Yo, what happened to the music, bro? I don't see no oh, let me see this one. This is like R&B. Nobody trying to hear no R&B all day. Hell no. Okay. Let me go back to. I have to go back to this, cause bro, I'm cool. I'm cool. Not one trade all week is crazy. I mean, it shows patience. It shows that we're detached from only outcome trades. It shows discipline. Um, and that we're not forcing just setups. You feel me? So it's a win. It's a win-win. Hey, at least we ain't losing no money. But there's some setups that I did want to take this week that I didn't take, that I should have taken. So it's a give or take, give or take. Let's see if we could take a sell on crude. If we could take a sell on crude, that would be nice. But you just gotta wait for a clear entry. Yes, it's still holding. Still holding. Heading to the highs. Let's see. It'll probably head to these highs, but like later on throughout the day. Because it doesn't have as much volume as it did earlier. Maybe at 11 it'll start picking up. Yeah, maybe at 11 it'll start picking up. Picking up some volume. Come on, crude. Crude is getting me tight. Like, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Get it together, G. Are you serious, bro? I wouldn't want this to be my entry candle. Not at all. Look away for 1 minute. This is what you doing, bro? I did not want this to be my entry candle, bro. God damn. thing is, price on crude oil is not holding above 13. I'm trying to get this 13 entry, but it's just price not giving me that. Price is not giving me that. Look at that. See? See? It doesn't make sense. It needs to close above this candle for it to break above the 13. I'm gonna give this one more candle, bro. I'm gonna give this one more candle, bro. Come on, crew. God damn. Give me an entry, bro. I'm itching for an entry. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. What other music can we play, though? Maybe this is it. Maybe we'll get an entry this time. Give me a one candle break. Let's see if we could get this entry here. That's 50. Maybe we could get an entry this time. Let's see. Maybe we'll get this entry. Be prepared. And now it's going up. Okay. Now it's going. Listen, bro. If we break above this level of resistance, this last level of resistance, then I'm gone. If we close above this level, I'm gone. If we close above this level, I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm not gonna take this. I probably should wait. Maybe gold will continue to the upside. Maybe gold will continue to the upside. Maybe. That's a big maybe. Alright, gold is, crude is giving us an entry right here. We should being prepared and getting ready to take this entry. $20 more seconds, so this could give us an entry. Let's see. If it don't break the 13, I'm not getting in. Bro, you're still not giving us nothing. What's going on in the chat? What's going on in the chat? What do y'all think is gonna happen? Do y'all see the downside still? Do y'all see the downside on crude? Or y'all see that it's gonna reverse? All right, I'm taking my entry. I'm taking my entry right there. Taking my entry right there. That's my entry right there. You're going for that 101. 101 first. Let's catch something, bro. One on one first. Let's see if we could go for that 1 or 2 or something more than that. Let's see. Come on now. Let's get going. Let's get going. Let's get going. Go. I mean, crude. Let's get going. Crude. We got TPs to hit. Come on, bro. Come on, stop playing, bro. This is so close to stop loss, bro. Super close to stop loss. Goddamn. Yeah, this is not looking good. This is not looking good. I gave Crude a shot, and look what it's doing. I gave Crude a shot, and look what it's doing. It's looking like it's over. Yep, over. Tough. Too tough. Waited all week to take a setup, and this is what we got. This is what we got, man. What can I say, bro? God damn. What can I say, bro? Shaking my head. Shaking my head, man. We are down we're down 900 from the high of the account. Damn, oil, that's how you do me? Shaking my head. That's how it is. Tough. Too tough. Too tough. And yet again, this looks like the other day when we took that sell, and then it went for buys, and the buys won. The buys won. $13 EMA letting me down, bruh. It's letting me down, bruh. Real talk. This candle look good to take it to the upside. But I don't want to do that to my account, bro. It looks good. It looks real good. $36. Damn, I don't want to take another loss, bro. Right after taking two losses back to back, I don't think I want to do that. Should I take this settle, this buy? Man. And go for a 1 or 2. Nah, bro, I'm straight. Damn, son. All right. So this is the trade. This is the outcome. Obviously we took an entry on the closing of this candle. It filled those in a little bit late, but that was the entry. This was the outcome. We got stopped out at the stop loss. There's no explanation, bro. No explanation, bro. We took a good trade. These trades normally win, but this month we getting cooked, bro. We getting cooked. When I say we, I'm getting cooked, bro. Maximum stop loss is 48 300, 48 800, whatever. 48 800, that's our stop loss, maximum stop loss. So all we have right now available for drawdown is 300. I don't know if this updated yet. I don't think this updated yet, because if the account, if we lost 300, yeah, it hasn't updated. But this is how much we have. $1,000 left until this account is gone, which I don't think is gonna be gone, because we're gonna take good trades next week. We only focused on winning. It don't matter what happened today. It doesn't matter. I still see us winning the next setup that comes. I'm not gonna be taking the 13 EMA breakouts. I'm gonna just be taking the break of the candle. I'm gonna just be getting ready for that. As y'all can see, this one did win. I believe so. No, it did not. Still, the break of the candle it's a lot better than taking the 13 EMA for the past month. What can I say, brother? Taking a loss, another loss, and another loss. What can I say, man? I think this is the one that won. No, I'm not even going. Yeah, that's it. We just took that loss. It's cool. We're gonna come back next week. If not, I must just take a break from trading, bro. Real talk. I might just need a break from trading. How long have I been trading? I've been trading for like actual trading for 2 to 3 years. Um, Before that, I was just playing around, not taking it serious. I was also trading options, and then I was trading forex, but I didn't really have like a solid strategy where I was like focused. So now I just been locking in futures. I was profitable for a little while on crude oil when I was trading last year. Last year, I got a couple withdrawals from my live account, but ever since I started trading um prop firms, I haven't really found myself trading prop firms. So I just been like losing things like that. Let me see. I have had, I think it's 3 accounts that I've had so far. Yeah, 3 accounts. This one I blew it on the 1 minute. It was I wouldn't even count this account, but since it is here, 3 accounts. This one I blew it in within 3 months. I got really close to passing it, almost, but I didn't. I ended up losing it. And then yeah, now we're in this on this account. I'm not saying that I know it all, but I don't know. I don't know when you commented this. I hope you're still listening. But it is what it is. We still focus on winning, bro. It don't matter. I'm gonna show up next week, same time, same thing. I am gonna be studying this week. Probably gonna do it on live. Probably most likely gonna be doing it on live. So like that, if y'all see something, y'all could just tell me. Uh, Let me see. What else am I missing? What else am I missing? I don't know if I should just take a break from trading or just show up next week like nothing happened, because that's what traders do, bro. You get a loss, you take a loss, and then you just come back. You come back the next week, the next day, like nothing happened. Or maybe I should just stop trading Thursday, because Thursday's been cooking me, and then just trade on Friday, because I don't trade Friday. So I'm gonna be looking at the charts for this Friday. um I will be studying last month and this month for so I could trade Friday next week. I'm not gonna be trading it tomorrow. No, hold on. Next week is gonna be NFP week, so I might not even do that. I'll hop on tomorrow. See if we get a good setup tomorrow. If we don't, then I'm not taking a trade. But that's what it is, bro. No hard feelings, bro. This is what happens in trading. It is what it is. I can't believe the 13 EMA breakout is letting me down for real. Can't believe. I can't believe. What is the ES doing? Yup. It's clips. First trade of crude oil. Lose. Crazy. Super. That's crazy to me. Like, what the hell? Like, what the hell? What else am I missing? What else do I gotta say? I think I already said that. I might be adding Thursday. No, Friday. No, I might be adding Sunday to study live on here on YouTube, just so I can record it and maybe get the audio. Once I get the audio, put it in the on ChatGPT and tell me what are things that I'm doing consistently that is causing me to lose, or some repetitive patterns that I've been doing. I know some, which is like I see my setup. Sometimes I just hesitate to taking it, and then I don't take it, and then it wins. Or yeah, I don't I don't trust that much. I don't want to lose the account. I don't want to take a losing setup, I guess. So what can I do, bro? Hey, we gonna be better, bro. Peace, love, and abundance. I hope you have a great week. If I don't see y'all tomorrow, I hope you have a blast, a great rest of y'all week, and your weekend. Enjoy, have fun, go outside. Do not give trading too much power. Just because you take a loss, don't stay stuck on that. Just because you take a loss, that doesn't mean that your whole day is bad. You still got a great day ahead of you. You feel me? So keep your head up and do other stuff, bro. Go play basketball, go for a run, go to the gym, go chill with your family, whatever it is you have to do. But that's my loss. That's my loss for today, and I'm cool with it. You feel me? I'm not the oh my god, let's go. I got a loss. Let's go. I'm not like these other traders that be capping, talk about some losing is no, bro. This you feel this. You will feel this, bro. Especially when it's your bread. Obviously, this is a funded account, but it still is my money that I invested into this. So do not listen to all these people. All these other traders are not even real traders, bro. Most of these traders are just either demo trading or they're just there getting your money for signals, bro. They're not even real traders. But to each their own, bro. Peace, love, and abundance. I'm out of here.